Hi, I'm Pam from the Hooked on Sewing blog. In this video tutorial, I'd like to show you how to use a shared Canva template. On my sewing planner page, you will find a link to a Canva template. You simply click on that link. It will take you to the Canva website. If you don't already have an account with them, you can sign up for a free account. Once you have logged in, it will open up the template in your browser, and then you will click on upload to upload a picture of your project that you've just completed. I'm going to upload a few of my reading pillows that I've recently completed. So once you click on upload, it will take you to your computer's directory. You just find the folder where you have the images saved that you want to upload, whether it's in your desktop or a shared folder, and then upload those images. And you can upload multiple images. While one image is loading, you can go search for another image, which is what I'm doing here. And then once I have those images uploaded into Canva, I can easily add them to my template. So let's find a couple of more. I like to do 4 on a page because then that's a 4x6 photo that I'm going to print. So I will have 4 2x3 photos. Okay, so now that I have the photos uploaded, I can just click on whatever and picture I want to add. It will put it over on my design board, and then I just drag it into the square where I want it to print. And let's see, I select one more of the reading pillows I've recently done. Just do a preview here, make sure I'm selecting the right image. And then once that image is uploaded, you can see on your preview pane on the left, I just click on it. It will automatically put it on my design board, and then I just click and drag to the location. And now I'm ready to download this, so I just click on the share up at the top right. I'm going to change the format to JPEG because I don't really need it to be a high resolution, and then click on download. It will then download my file to my computer, where I can then open it and print it on my printer, or I can take it to Staples or send it to Walgreens or somewhere like that to have it printed. And then once I have it printed, I just cut those pictures apart and then I adhere them to my planner page. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please come visit me over on the Hooked on Sewing blog. Thank you.